Hello there guys, and welcome to our 7th PHP tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial we're going to go ahead and go over functions in PHP. So we're going to go over a very simple function example and how we can write a function in PHP. Okay, so to get started I went ahead and created a file called tutorial7.php under the exam HDAX tutorials folder where the rest of my tutorials are. So now let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with a comment, and I'm going to say this function will add two numbers. Okay, so now you type the keyword function, then you give it a name. So I'm going to call it sum, and you will take two variables. So I'm going to pass it number 1 and number 2. So I have these two variables here. So this function has two parameters, variable 1 and variable 2. We want to keep it very simple and very short tutorial. So all this will do is this will add the two numbers passed by the user. So and then it's just going to give you back the sum. So I'm going to go ahead and return, and here I'm just going to return n1 plus n2. So this will be n1 and n2 and then semicolon. So what it will do is like it will accept, let's say I pass it 1 and 2, it will get 1 and 2. So then you will say here 1 plus 2, and then it will return 3 back. These parentheses are not required. I just put parentheses just to make everything a lot more clear. Down here I'm going to put testing the sum function, or testing for the sum function. So let's test this. Okay, so let's go ahead and print out. So I'm going to echo here just so we see that our function is working. I'm going to echo sum, and I'm going to pass it two numbers. Let me pass it 5 and 10. So let's echo this. So what we should get printed out, actually let's put a message here. So I'm going to put here the sum of 5 plus 10 equals, and then we call this function and will give us back the sum. So we are concatenating the result, what we get back from the function, to here. So what will happen here? Echo. So we will see the echo. So the browser will see okay, echo. Now it will echo this string here, and then you will see a function. Say, hey, this function sum, where is this defined? You will see it's defined up here. So it will go in here, pass it 5 and 10. So it will pass n1 will be 5 and n2 will be 10. Here it will say what should I return? So I should return back 5 plus 10, so I should return back 15. So then this will actually give us 15. So you should print out the sum of 5 plus 10 equals 15. Now let's go ahead and just see that, ensure that that's what we get in our browser. So I'm going to go to my local host, and I'm going to go to tutorials, and I'm going to go to tutorial7.php. So now you see here the sum is of 5 plus 10 is 15, which is correct. Now if we were to change this, so let me put 15 here. Let me just check this as well, change it just so we can see the correct. So we should get 25 back. Now let's check this, let's refresh the page, and we get 25. Alright guys, so this was a simple tutorial on functions in PHP. I hope you liked it. Please check out all my other tutorials if you haven't done so already. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do that as well. It truly means a lot. If you have any concerns or questions, please feel free to leave comments or send a message. Again, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll be back with another tutorial, guys. Thank you very much.